Hi guys, it's 6:15 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 12:15 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, nag-grill kami kasi maybe next week hindi na kami makagrill kasi malamig na. So eto guys, oh. Bangus, pusit, mais, lettuce, pipino. Grabe. And cheese. So, ito guys, ang aming dinner for today. Sarap, mahal. What is this, mahal? Just bring it. And of course, guys, rice is life. Kain tayo, guys. Babush. Sarap-sarap nito. Naglaway na ako.